Hi, how's it going, guys? It's the Halloween season. Today we're going to go over how to draw a cute Halloween pumpkin. I'm going to be using this marker. You can use any marker you want. So grab a marker, any type, and let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow, press the like on the video if you do like it. I'm going to be putting up Halloween videos for the month, so check it out, stay with me. Also stay tuned for the announcement I'm going to make for a kind of Halloween book. I'm going to be, opening up, like letting people get pretty soon. So anyways, first thing I'm going to do is going to draw a kind of C shape. I'm going to draw another kind of bulbous shape here because it has ridges, the pumpkin. Another one kind of upside down U here. See this kind of U shape. We're going to do one more, kind of matching on each side, and then I'm going to draw the other end. It's like a backwards C. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the stem of the pumpkin. So it's going to draw straight up, straight line. Pull down. And then pull in. It's going to taper in as it goes down. Then I'm going to draw a leaf along the side here. So it's going to draw a straight line. And then almost like a feathered shape out there. I'm going to draw a little line here, so it doesn't look too much like an apple or something. And there's striations on the actual kind of stem. Now, I'm going to draw a triangle for the eye. This will be a triangle, but it's going to be laying on its side, so it's going to be kind of aiming at each other. And I am going to draw essentially kind of like a W shape for the mouth. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and I'm going to thicken that out. Really simple, really cool. And the last but not least, I'm going to draw a little upward facing triangle for the nose. If you really want, what you can do is you can pull striations here. So thin lines down to kind of show the striations of the pumpkin. Kind of make it more obvious. But that's pretty much it. It's a really simplistic pumpkin, by the way. It usually doesn't have that leaf. I'm going to draw a bunch of different pumpkins over the course of a month. Some are going to be in color, some are going to be black and white like this. I make this black and white. So thank you guys. I will catch you in the very next video. So we'll see you soon.